So let me ask this question. Google in like 3 years ago, Google trained a machine learning algorithm to look at retina scans of people's eyes. Okay. And in that, it could detect if there was a damage on the retina or not, right? Because if there is a damage, then whoever that person is, whose eyes it is, they are, right? That person needs to go to a doctor and needs to get a little laser surgery to fix the damage. If you don't have any such problems, of course, you're good, right? So Google trained it using 120,000 uh, retina scans. Okay. What else would be needed to train this machine learning algorithm? What would be needed other than just 120,000 scans of people's
It
retinas?
would need to tell the algorithm that which one has damage and which one doesn't.
Exactly. Did everyone understand that part? Just 120,000 scans are not enough. You need to know for each scan, does this represent a damaged retina or does this represent a good retina? Okay. And how would Google get that? How would Google know that out of these 120,000, which ones are damaged and which ones are not?
It
So
would look
maybe
at
features and
the
some
feature.
traits that, yeah.
No, the thing is that features and traits are used by the machine learning algorithm to learn. But before it can use features and count the features and all that, it still needs to know the correct answer. Yeah, someone else was giving an answer.
Yeah, I was saying that it would ideally, so in order to identify features and count, it would need to know like a specific number that defines it as a bad retina or a good retina.
Yeah. So see, in our example yesterday, right? We knew that what was it? A five? No, sorry, a five is 210, right? In terms of our features, 2, 1, and 0 represented a five. That's the specific numbers. But the only reason we knew that a 2, 1, and 0 represent a five is because we knew which image represents 5. If we didn't know which image is a 5, we would not know what to do with our 2, 1, and 0 and what the features, right? So before you count the features, you have to know what is the expected answer. You have to know, I mean, I look at a retina scan and I'm counting features like how many spots of a darker color are there, how big is the spot, how far are the spots from each other, and things like that, right? How dark is the color, and each one of these is a feature. But how do I know that, if there are 5 dark spots, does that mean it's a good retina or does that mean it's a bad retina, right? That has to come from outside. Whoever gave me the data has to give me that, correct? Does anyone want to guess where that data came from?
So there could have been prior manual studies done by a person which showed like
Yeah,
what different or bad.
for example,
Absolutely.
from diagrams and everything, doctors could have.
So exactly, right? Actual expert, top expert doctors are needed, right? And now